If a person aids, assists, or encourages another to commit a crime, then the person may face liability as an accomplice. In State v. McVay, we explore whether accomplice liability applies when the underlying offense is an unintentional crime, such as involuntary manslaughter. While the Mackinac steamship was transporting several hundred passengers from Pawtucket to Newport, the ship's boiler burst. Many passengers died, including 3 who were exposed to steam that escaped the boiler during its explosion. George McVay, the ship's captain, and John Grant, the ship's engineer, both of whom were present on the ship during the explosion, were indicted with involuntary manslaughter for those 3 deaths. As charged, the involuntary manslaughter consisted of unintentional killings resulting from grossly negligent performance of an otherwise lawful act. The charge alleged that McVay and Grant negligently used the boiler to create steam when they knew that the boiler was corroded and defective. George Kelly worked to prepare the ship in Pawtucket but wasn't aboard during the explosion. He was indicted as an accessory before the fact in connection with McVay and Grant's involuntary manslaughter offenses. The charge alleged that Kelly maliciously aided and abetted McVay and Grant by advising them to use the defective boiler. Kelly moved to dismiss his indictment, arguing that a person couldn't be an accessory before the fact to involuntary manslaughter because it's impossible to maliciously incite another's unintentional conduct. The trial court submitted a certified question to the Rhode Island Supreme Court, seeking clarification on the intersection between involuntary manslaughter and accessory charges.